Hello, welcome back to Ayaanseasymath. Today we're looking at on logical question. The question is if x is equal to 1 by 2 square root of root 2 plus 1 by 8 minus root 2 by 8, then find the value of x square plus square root of x power 4 plus x plus 1. As you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 800 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. So first of all, given x is equal to 1 by 2 square root of root 2 plus 1 by 8 minus root 2 by 8. So this can be written as x is equal to 1 by 2 square root of 8 root 2 plus 1 by 8 minus root 2 by 4 into root 2 into root 2. So root 2 get cancelled. So x is equal to 1 by 2 square root of 8 root 2 plus 1 by, here we'll get 2 root 2 plus minus 1 by 4 root 2. Now if you take LCM, here you'll get 4 root 2 x plus 1. This one we are taking that side is equal to square root of 8 root 2 plus 1. Now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides here, you will get this one 32 x square plus 8 root 2 x plus 1 is equal to 8 root 2 plus 1. 1 you can cancel. So here you'll get 8 root 2 common. So 2 root 2 x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0. Now this can be written as 2 root 2 x square is equal to 1 minus x. Now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, you will get 8x to the power of 4. So it is better you write this one 1 plus x will get sorry, here you'll get x minus 1. Now 8x power 4 is equal to x square minus 2x plus 1. Now here we are having a logic adding 8x plus 8 on both sides. So here x square minus 2x plus 1 plus 8x plus 8. So here 8 common, x power 4 plus x plus 1 is equal to x square plus 6x plus 9. This can be written as x plus 3 whole square. But we want root of x power 4 plus x plus 1 value. It is the root of x plus 3 whole square by 8. So here you'll get x plus 3 by 2 root 2. Now what is required here? X square plus root of x power 4 plus x plus 1 now. That is equal to x square plus this value are having x plus 3 by 2 root 2. So here if you take LCM, 2 root 2 x square plus x plus 3 by 2 root 2. Now this value 2 root 2 x square plus x value is 1. From here you can write 2 root 2 x square plus x is equal to 1. So that value will substitute here 1 plus 3 by 2 root 2. So here 4 by 2 root 2. So here we'll get root 2 is the answer. I hope you understood the video more. Thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad.